Hello everyone, welcome to the My Day 24 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm a spokesperson for a healthy lifestyle eating plan, and this is another sample day of what you can eat on your healthy lifestyle eating plan. You can find many delicious recipes and helpful tools at our website. Again, this is just a sample day, so let's jump right in. Breakfast is 1 to 4 cup of whole grain cereal. Now this could be Cheerios or Barbara's Bakery Cinnamon Puffins or Kashi Heart to Heart. 1/3 cup of low-fat or non-fat Greek yogurt, 6 ounces, and that's about a small container. And then coffee with milk and a sugar substitute. Now, if you are new here, I have a great coffee cake that you can make and enjoy as part of your breakfast. It's very yummy, so check out the recipe link below. Lunch is a tuna salad sandwich on 1 slice of whole grain bread. Look for bread that has at least 3 grams of fiber. Mix 1 can of tuna in water, drain it, and then add in about 1 to 2 cup of spinach, 1 to 4 cup of cucumber, and 1 to 4 cup of carrots. Then dress it with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, vinegar, and lemon. Add salt and pepper to taste and enjoy on your whole grain bread. Our afternoon snack is a small orange and 15 nuts. Here, I'm using almonds, but please feel free to use any of your favorite nuts. Almonds have a great balance of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Plus, they are high in vitamin E and other important nutrients. Now dinner is an easy grilled chicken burger with onions and peppers. Start with 1 whole wheat bun. I love the whole wheat burger buns. You can find them in the natural food section of most grocery stores. Add in 4 ounces of ground chicken. I usually get the ground chicken breast. Add in half of a small onion and half of a green bell pepper. Slice them up finely so they cook evenly. Season with salt and pepper, and you can even add a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Grill it on your favorite grill pan or outside on the barbecue, and add a side salad with 1 tablespoon of vinaigrette dressing. I hope you enjoyed today's menu. Remember, you can find many delicious recipes and helpful tools at our website. So many of you have been sharing your success stories with us, and we are so excited to hear how the 30-day healthy lifestyle eating plan is impacting your health and wellness goals. We've heard from so many of you that adding in more fruits and vegetables has really helped with your energy levels and helping you feel full. One of the keys is to stay hydrated, so remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. And for those of you who are new here, I encourage you to check out my other videos for more helpful tips and healthy recipes. This is day 24 of 30, and we are almost done. I know starting a healthy lifestyle can seem overwhelming at first, but remember, you don't have to do this alone. Reach out to your friends and family for support. And don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is an accomplishment. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, please subscribe for more videos and please share your feedback and comments below. Thank you for watching.